Welcome to PCDOTS Solutions. In this video, we will introduce the effortless way to convert MBOX files and folders. Let's start by downloading PCDOTS MBOX Converter tool on our machines. Now, go to the Open tab. Software Support Mini Email Client and file format, choose as per your requirement. Then select MBOX file option and choose file and choose folder to load MBOX mailboxes in the software panel. Select folders option. As you can see, different folders listed in the software interface on the left. After that, click on that MBOX folder, and emails are listed one by one. Now, tap on the MBOX email that preview you want to see in the software interface and get the view. Tool preview the email content and other information. If that MBOX mail includes attachments, this tool allows you to open, save, and save all in one tap. So, choose as per the requirements. Now, go to the Export tab that lists multiple saving options. An extract option is available to take out email addresses, phone numbers, and attachments from MBOX files. So, let's click on the Export tab and select IMAP to do MBOX to IMAP migration. Then, mark the required folder and unmark the rest. As you can see, there are many options available in the software panel. So let us understand them, and then you decide whether to enable this option. The first is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. Next is an include email header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. The last one is appended to default folders. This option is basically for the mapping of the folders such as inbox to inbox, sent to sent and more. It allows user to insert emails into default mail folders. Now, enter the name of the folder that you want to create in IMAP account containing MBOX emails in the backup folder name tab. Then, fill the email address, password, of your IMAP account. Fill the server address and port number of your IMAP account. After all, click on the Save button to start the process of MBOX to IMAP account migration. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. The demo edition of the software allows you to export only 10 items from MBOX to IMAP account. Click on the OK button. Finally, go to your IMAP account. As you can see, there is a folder named as exported. Click on it and go to mailbox. Now, you get to see all the emails,